Quick analysis on AUD USD for the next day, which is on 3rd of January. So if you are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments on what to watch out for it. So let's start with the trend first on AUD USD. We all know markets give us three types of trend movements: uptrend move, downtrend move, or a ranging market move. So what we are having on AUD USD is actually an uptrend move. That is one. You can clearly see that on the second level or point is that this price is trading above the 10 period moving average. Now, if you take a look at this movement, previously we were trading below this 10 period moving average. You can see during that time we were trading below this moving average. We were actually on a sell movement. We were selling, right? But right now, price is now giving us a bullish move and it is now trading above our 10 period moving average. Though there's kind of like a pullback that broke below the moving average, but eventually price has corrected itself and now it is trading above this moving average. So all what we would want to look out for is kind of like me for a setup to actually go ahead and buy. And one of that setup we would want to go ahead and take is when a pullback has been made. Now if we go to the 4-hour time frame, this is the 4-hour time frame I want you guys to pay attention to. You see that I've once highlighted this level. You see that price has once reacted to this level, then price dropped. Price kind of broke above it a little bit, slightly, a little bit before price dropped. We saw price came to this level, reacted to it. Price has come to this level, react to it. Now that price has broken out of it, I think we should expect price to actually give us a pullback close to this level. It is not a must price tap hit this level, this previous support resistance level. Sorry, it is not a must. At least we should kind of get like a pullback, then we will go ahead and go long. Above all, AUD we are expecting a bullish move, but this we are having a pullback which is red, and I don't think that pullback is over. If you take a look at it on a daily time frame, I don't think this pullback is over. There's every possibility it is over. There's every possibility it is not over. But one thing I know is that once this pullback, maybe something like a drop, a pullback, and pullback, then if I can get this final drop on AUD USD, I don't mind going long for the next day.